Barbie dangerous. Bitches don't endanger us. You are over, you ain't in range of us. It's our 1111 angel numbers. Dashes and Burberry rainbow. Looking like every designer fake mule. Front row next to the who's who. Trying to build another Barbie doll screws loose. They my rapper that can channel big pop and push out Papa Bear Horn Mother the year. Every summer I come out to walk.
Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bree. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how I got this super vacation spring break beachy wavy hair. And I'm going to show you how to achieve a super flat install that is glueless. So if you want to learn how to get your hair like this, keep on watching.
I don't usually do this, but can I sing to you? Yours, mine, ours. I could do this for hours. Sit and talk to you for hours. I wanna give you your flowers and some champagne showers. All the shrimp and lobster towers, but it's me that gets devoured. Ooh, you do what you do, power. You give me a superpower. Together the world could be ours. On the counter, instantly it's thunder showers. Storming for a couple hours. When we finish, take a shower. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours like nobody. And when I say nobody, I mean nobody. All these niggas full of shit. You just don't hold me once they hit. Felt like giving up on love. These niggas almost made me quit. Then I met you. When I met you, I knew this was it. I've never been in love like this. A love like ours. I pray for it on my knees every night for some hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. What's yours is mine and ours, and yours mine and ours. I can sit and talk to you for hours, sit and look at you for hours, making love to you for hours, laying on your chest for hours, telling you jokes for hours, holding you close for hours, and hours. Oh, but these bitches in my business cut me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But then you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need a new trick, gold eyes on chains. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. Got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving service, calling on my favorite hoe. Know how to reach me every time that it plays in my words I feel like we committed a crime. Way over long, there's no sacred spot. We can't be outside cause the baggage too high. Am I on your mind? Wherever you are, don't call me. business, got me out, you choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I low ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But I see if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. Even though I low ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But I see if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. I need total confidential privacy. No one knows, thinking I'm a robot. Time so strange that we on the first class trip. Don't work my nerves, you know I get bored. Yeah, we fucking, we ain't making love no more. You talk that talk, but he don't match up with. So strong with every whatever you need. Don't call me. But these bitches in my business got me out, you choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I low ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But I think you can keep that like nobody knows. Even though I low ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But I think you can keep that like nobody knows.
Somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? Yeah. It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you and no. Part of me that cared is gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. No, I'm holding again, cause I know in the end, you dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been, we could have. Remember the night in Miami, first time you put your arms around me. I'm up reminiscing, thinking about you isn't helping. Thinking about you doesn't tell me what good it would do if I decide to face the truth. It could have been right, but I was wrong. I only think about you and no. Only hit me up when she's not home, and that's why I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. I'm holding again, cause I know in the end, you dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been, we could have been.
What we could have been, what we should have been. If I wasn't with somebody, if we gotta hide it, what's the point of trying? I ain't just your friend, no, what's the point of lying? Trying to sell a story, ain't nobody buying. Look me in my eyes, don't that feel nice? Why should it end? Baby, I could have been, shoulda, coulda, would have been. Hey. Yeah, would have been. Yeah, I would have been.